If you're trying to connect to a Wi-Fi network, but it's just not working for you, it's not connecting, there are some troubleshooting steps we can definitely take. The first one is we're going to head into the settings app on your iPhone. So open up the settings app here. And the first thing we'll do is toggle airplane mode on. This will disconnect from all Wi-Fi networks. And then after a little bit, let's toggle that back off. So this will reconnect to everything. After we've done that, let's tap on the Wi-Fi here, and you can see I'm currently connected to this network. Now, what you can do is tap on the little I right next to the network. And from here, you can make sure that low data mode is not turned on. If this is turned on, potentially it is connected, but it's just not working because low data mode is on. So I would recommend toggling this off, as well as private Wi-Fi address. You might want to try to turn this off and switch to allow tracking and see if that works. If it still doesn't work, the next thing we're going to check to see is if potentially there's an issue with your VPN. So go back to the beginning of your settings, tap on the general option, and then we'll scroll to the very bottom and we'll tap on VPN and device management. Once you're there, you can see if you have a VPN in here, make sure you're disconnected from the VPN. So just toggle it off, or if you want to and you don't use your VPN anymore, I would recommend going in and deleting that profile completely out of your system. So go ahead and delete the VPN or close out of it and disconnect. If those don't work, let's go back to the very beginning of your settings again. And you can see towards the bottom is the general option. Let's tap on the general option. And there are two things I would recommend everyone doing if they run into problems with their iPhone. The first one is tap on software update. See if there's a software update. If there is, just get the latest version. However, if there is not one, you can always go back out of here and then scroll down and hit the shutdown button. You'd be surprised how many times a problem with your iPhone is fixed just by restarting your iPhone. So try restarting it and see if that solves your problem. Now, if all of these don't fix it, the last thing I would recommend doing is hitting this transfer or reset iPhone. From here, you can see reset here towards the bottom. Just tap on reset and then reset the network settings. You're going to enter in the passcode for your phone and go through the process of resetting those network settings, including your Wi-Fi settings. This will reset everything and you can add basically that Wi-Fi network again, reconnect to it, and it should be working normally. If it still isn't working, you've done everything you should be doing on your iPhone, but keep in mind it is a two-way street. Maybe the modem or the router isn't working. So the easiest way to basically get those fixed or to tell if that's the issue is just unplug them, wait about 30 seconds and plug them back in and see if that helps solve the problem.